Hey guys, welcome to this quick tutorial where we'll explain how you can order a new card on your Chime account step by step. So let's get started. First, open your Chime app on your iPhone and make sure you're on the home page of your account. After that, look at the top left corner of the screen and tap on the gear icon to open your settings. Then scroll down until you see the section labeled Cards and tap on it or on the arrow next to it. And then you'll first see your virtual debit card, but to manage your physical card, scroll down and tap on Manage Physical Card. Here, you'll find an option to replace card, tap on it, and Chime will ask why you're requesting a new one, for example, if your card is lost, damaged, or stolen. Choose the option that fits your situation, and Chime will guide you through the replacement process. Once confirmed, your new Chime debit card will be mailed to your address within a few business days. And that's it. Now you know how to order or replace your Chime card directly through the app quickly and easily. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a like and subscribe.